Okay, so dito naman yung sa attendance. Start ulit tayo sa G97. Ito yung constant spindle speed mode natin. Then M03, spindle on clockwise. S100 is to set spindle speed to 1000 RPM. T0101 is select tool 1 and its offset. Then restart na natin yung machine at 1000 RPM. Since sinet na natin siya dito. So G00 X55Z10 is rapid traverse to a safe position. Then Z2, yung next is para mag-move closer to the part for safety na din. Then proceed na tayo sa G71, which is yung rough cutting cycle natin. U.5 natin is for 0.5 mm depth and R.5 is for R0.5 mm each pass or retract. Tapos G71, P6, Q7, U.5, R.5, F.25. Ito naman yung P6, Q7. Pina-follow lang yung shape ng N6 and then 7. U.5, 0.5 mm allowance. R.5, 0.5 mm. In Z, yung U.5 na pala ay sa X. Then F.25 is feed rate. Tapos proceed na tayo sa N6, G01, X16, tsaka Z0. Ito naman ay cut straight. Ito yung para mag-cut straight na sa point. Then G01 is for the diagonal cut. X24, C negative 3. Tapos G01, C10, straight down. Tapos G01, X34, C negative 13 is yung isa pang angled cut. Then G01, Z negative 23 is pa straight ulit. Then G03, X40, curve naman siya, counterclockwise na arc. May Z negative 26 din yun in R3. Then G01, X44, straight cut lang ulit. Then G02, X50, Z negative 29, R3, curve ulit, which is clockwise arc. Kasi G02 yung ginamit natin. Tapos N7, G01, Z negative 45, yun yung final straight cut sa dulo. Then program end, which is G30. Ay, M30. So, tapos na po.